Good day everyone, we are Group 11 and today we are excited to present our final ideas. Mealmaster. Mealmaster is a mobile app designed to help busy individuals and families reduce food waste through smart meal planning tools. The app suggests recipes based on what's already in your fridge, helping users save time, money, and food. The idea came from a common problem we all face, not knowing what to cook, forgetting what ingredient we have, and eventually throwing out all the unused food. So the Mealmaster solves that by giving practical and the real-time suggestion. So let's move to the slide 2. Slide 2 is the mission, vision, and how it works. So our mission is to empower individuals and families to make more sustainable meal decisions, reduce food waste, and save time, all through an easy-to-use mobile platform. Our vision is to become a globally recognized tool for smart meal planning, encouraging eco-friendly habits while making cooking more enjoyable. So how does this Mealmaster do? Mealmaster offers a subscription-based service with weekly or monthly meal plans tailored to your dietary need. It also helps to maintain your digital fridge inventory. We plan to generate revenue through, first, subscription for premium planning tools. Second, commission from grocery partners and food brands. And third, which is the collaboration with eco-friendly product companies. The goal is to create a system that is both practical and sustainable, which can help the users waste less and live smarter. Okay, let's move to the slide 3. Slide 3 is the prototype phase. So here is a look at our prototype. So when you open the app, the welcome screen gives you a quick access to the key features. First is what is in your fridge. Second, it will generate a recipe. Third, the leftover meal, that the food inside your fridge which can do. And after that, there will be zero waste reminder. And lastly, an education hub on the food and nutrition. It is designed to be user-friendly, so even the first-time user can navigate easily. Whether you want to cook based on what is in your fridge, get creative with leftovers, or just learn more about reducing food waste, Mealmaster is your best choice. In short, Mealmaster combines sustainability with smart tech, which will make the meal planning more efficient, eco-friendly, and stress-free. Thank you.
Welcome to the user profile screen. This section shows how Mealmaster personalized the user experience. Each profile includes the user name, dietary preference, household size, and progress in reducing food waste. For example, it tracks how much food and money you have saved. Gamification elements like badges and achievement keep user motivated. Notification can also be customized for expiry alerts, meal reminder, and even sustainability challenges. Imagine a family of 5 use this monthly. They have saved RM222 and 8 kg of food in a month. This feature builds habits that are good for both the wallet and the planet. This is the fridge screen, where user can instantly view what's already at home. Items like milk, chicken, and leftovers are listed with quantities. This helps to avoid overbuying and duplicate purchases. User can tap on any item to update quantities, mark them as used, or add leftovers. For example, if the fridge has chicken, tomatoes, and salad, the app may suggest grilled chicken and salad, helping users cook with what they already have. This feature not only reduces waste, but also saves time and money by planning around existing ingredients. This is our smart grocery list, which syncs with what's in the fridge. It tells user what to buy, where to buy it, and even estimates the cost. It avoids overbuying by checking what's already in the fridge. The Ask Me What to Buy section is especially smart. It recommends missing items based on your meal plans and even shows nearby grocery option. It also tracks frozen items with expiry reminders coded in green or orange for clarity. This prevents food from being forgotten in the freezer. For example, if broccoli is running low, the app adds into your list and reminds you that frozen broccoli is already in stock, which is helping reduce unnecessary purchases.
Now I'll be explaining one of a key feature in our app, the expiry date scanner. This feature helps users track shelf life of their food item digitally, preventing unnecessary waste and saving money. So how does it work? Let me walk you through the process. Step 1. Scan barcode or QR code first. The user uses their phone's camera to scan the barcode or QR code on a food package. Our app then automatically reads the product name and its expiry date from the label. This removes the need of manual entry and make the process quick and user-friendly. Step 2. Table view displayed. Once scanned, the items are displayed in a clean, editable table format. Each entry shows the product name, expiry date, and a color-coded status. Green means the item is still fresh. Orange signals that the item is expiry soon. Red indicates that the item has already expired. This visual alert system helps users act fast and avoid spoilage. Step 3. Prevent waste and save money. This feature is not just about tracking. It's about taking action. Before food expires, the app sends remind and even suggests recipes using items that are nearing expiry. For example, if a user buys chicken and tomatoes and the app sees both are about to expire, it can suggest making tomato chicken pasta. This app uses cook smart, reduce waste, and avoid last minute disposal and of perfectly edible food. Let's begin with the first part of weekly meal plan generator, choosing dietary preferences. Users can personalize their meal plan based on their dietary need. They can select options like vegetarian, vegan, halal, low carb, family size portion. Once preferences are selected, the app filters meal to match their user lifestyle. This ensures every meal suggestion is suitable and practical, especially for users with strictly dietary requirements. This personal touch enhances satisfaction and encourages consistent use of the planner. Next, to guide a new user, the app includes a tutorial video. This video explains how to customize meal plans, how to add or remove ingredients, how to set reminder for shopping. With this step-by-step guidance, user won't feel lost. It makes the feature beginner friendly and increases adoption, especially for those not used the meal planning app.
Let us look at what happens when the user taps generate recipe. The app will analyze the items in their fridge, yes, using a smart inventory based system, and then suggest meals they can cook using what's already available. It will also list the ingredients they have and highlight any missing items, and if they're missing anything, don't worry. Substitutes will be suggested to keep the cooking flow going. Another helpful option is the Add to Favorite feature. Let's say they love this grilled chicken recipe. With one tap, it's saved in their personal favorites list, so next time they don't need to search again. This is especially useful for busy users who often repeat meals. And finally, there's the video tutorial button. These are short and beginner-friendly videos that visually walk them through the cooking process. Perfect for those who are new to cooking or simply prefer learning visually. Now, let's move on to another key feature, Zero Waste Reminder. This feature is designed with a mission to help users become more mindful about food waste by encouraging small but impactful daily actions. At the top of the screen, users will see a daily tip. These are fun and educational reminders, like today's tip, an apple a day keeps the doctor away, to keep users engaged and thinking about their health and consumption habits. Below that, we have a personalized reminder message. This feature scans their leftover inventory and offers creative meal suggestions based on what's in the fridge. For example, here it says, delicious chicken rendang is waiting for you. With risotto, it will be a perfect dinner. These nudges help users rethink their urge to order in and instead use what they already have. Next, we have the option button, which lets the users unlock weekly food waste reduction goals. It adds a sense of a gamification and personal challenge, helping them stay consistent and motivated throughout the week.
Today I will be presenting about the Food Educational HUB, a section of the Mealmaster app designed to help users reduce food waste and cook smarter. This features is an integrated learning area that teach users about sustainable food preparation, storage, and smart cooking habits. It helps people make better decisions, avoid food spoilage, and be more creative in the kitchen. What can users see on the screen? First, storage tips. For example, it shows that keeping coriander in a Tupperware with wet kitchen tissue can keep it fresh longer. These are easy, practical tips anyone can do at home. Second is video on reducing food waste. There are also a short video from Unitar student sharing tips on how to reduce food waste. This helps users learn through fun and engaging content and encourage peer-to-peer learning. Third is recipe substitute. This section gives suggestions like using quinoa instead of rice. It helps users when they run out of ingredients and promotes healthier choices, while also saving money and reducing the need for extra grocery shopping. In the conclusion, a clever, easy-to-use tool The Mealmaster app helps families and busy individuals cut down on food waste in the home by raising awareness and improving planning. Users are empowered to make sustainable decisions in their daily lives by the app's features. This is a step towards a more sustainable and intelligent way of living, not merely a meal planner. How Mealmaster supports SDG 12. This directly supports Sustainable Development Goal SDG 12, responsible consumption and production by reducing food waste through expiry alerts, portion planning, and leftover usage, encouraging sustainable buying habits via smart grocery lists synced with actual fridge content, raising awareness through the food educational HUB that teach proper storage and resourceful cooking, promoting long-term behavior change with progress tracking, reminders, and gamified achievements. Thank you.